solve. Write the answer in set builder notation. Negative 5y is greater than or equal to 65. We will divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 5. So we would have negative 5y divided by negative 5. Remember that when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to reverse the direction of the inequality symbol, so this becomes less than or equal to. And of course, on the right-hand side, we're still dividing by the negative 5 there, so it's 65 divided by negative 5. On the left-hand side, of course, negative 5 divided by negative 5 is positive 1. Positive 1y we can write as y. That's going to be less than or equal to a positive divided by a negative is negative. 65 divided by 5 is 13. So y is less than or equal to negative 13. That means that the solution set is open brace y such that y is less than or equal to negative 13, and then close the brace.